is no word in this whole encyclopedia of 73 books here of the Roman Catholics and 66 books in this Bible of the Protestants, Christians. The word Judaism is not there. It's non-existent. The word Christianity is non-existent. I'm asking the Jew, this word Judaism, is it in your Torah? He'll tell you no. Is it in the Mishnah? He says no. Is it in the Talmud? He says no. Then where did you get it? If it's not in all your books of authority, like the word Islam. Suppose somebody asks you, where did you get the word Islam from? I say, look, it's in the Quran. It's in the Hadiths. You see, Islam is the name of the deen that we follow. Your deen, you say, is Judaism. Is it in your most authoritative books? The Torah, he says no. In the Talmud, he says no. In the Mishnah, he says no. So where did you get it? When the Jews, the Israelis, Bani Israel, when they conquered Palestine, Palestine was divided among the tribes. There were 12 tribes, 12 sons of Yaqub alayhi salam. In history, they became 12 tribes, and Palestine was divided among the tribes. The children of Levi, he said, you occupy this space. Children of Judah, you occupy that space, and so on. It was divided. So the people from the outside, seeing that the type of religion that these children were practicing, they said that the religion followed by the children of Judah in Judea, that's the land they call it Judea, is Judaism. So they liked the term and they accepted it. You see, these are labels. These are labels created by man. It's man-made titles. The word Christianity also is not to be found anywhere in the Bible. The first time this term was used, Christian, was again used by the enemies of the followers of Jesus at a place called Antioch. The enemies, disparagingly, they pointed to these followers of Jesus and they said that these are Christians, meaning the worshippers of Christ. If Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, in his second coming, if we could approach him and ask him, "O Isa alayhi salam, what is your religion?" We are not expected to hear from him Christianity. If he said Christianity, we could ask him, "What are you, sir? Are you a Roman Catholic? Or are you a Methodist? Are you a Protestant? Are you a Seventh-day Adventist? Are you a Jehovah's Witness? What are you? What church?" It's ridiculous. We expect him to say that my religion is a religion of total submission to God's will. And one word for that in the Arabic language is Islam.